Need to change the language in Gmail on your PC? No problem, let's get it done in just a few simple steps. First, open your preferred web browser and log in to your account. Once you are in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. That's your setting menu. Click on it and select See All Settings. Here you will be seeing language. You will see a drop-down menu with your current language. Click on it and you will find a huge list of languages to choose from. Pick the one you prefer, pick it up. Now don't forget to scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. And that's it, your Gmail interface will now refresh in your chosen language. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this.